In Cincinnati, Ohio, there were smiles and laughter.
We finish.
Thanks to Vernon Jackson, who gives haircuts for free to children with special needs.
He walks in and he gives him a hug and he knows to sit in the chair and he knows that it's a safe place. It's just really amazing what he's doing for our community, and it's bigger than anyone ever would realize.
Yeah, you blessed God's child, just smile. You turn nothing into something, let me see you smile.
There was laughter in Toronto as well, when 4-year-old Sawyer Lingling
I just smile cause I'm goody.
heard the voices of his family for the first time after receiving cochlear implants.